Star apple tree is a tropical, slow-growing evergreen tree that is usually about 25 meter tall and 4 to 8 meter wide. The stem is erect, the branch hang down, and the leaves are small, dark green in color but red or yellow underneath, hairy and shiny. First, we're gonna dig the soil. And then put the star apple seedling into the soil. The next one is guava tree, a small branch tree or shrub up to 7 to 10 meter tall. The root system is superficial, the trunk is woody, hard, with a characteristic smooth, pale mottled bark that peels off in thin flakes after the trunk has grown to about 20 centimeters in diameter. Just like the star apple tree, let's dig a soil to plant the guava tree. And after that, let's plant the seedling of the guava tree. And lastly is a sour soup, or what we call guyabano. It has a green, soft spine heart shape or oblong, ovoid fruit with a dark green, leathery skin. This fruit is large, usually measures 8 to 12 inches and weighs up to 2.5 kilos. It has creamy and delectable flesh which contains many black to brown seeds which are hard and inedible. So same at the first and the second one, we're gonna dig a soil to plant the seedling of the guyabano tree. And then we're gonna plant the seedling of the guyabano tree. Why do we need to plant trees? Trees help clean the air we breathe, filter the water we drink, and provide habitats to over 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. Forests provide jobs to over 1.6 billion people, absorb harmful carbon from the atmosphere, and are key to ingredients in 25% of all medicines. Trees help to clean the air we breathe. Through their leaves and bark, they absorb harmful pollutants and release clean oxygen for us to breathe. In urban environments, trees absorb pollutant gases like nitrogen oxides, ozone, and carbon monoxide, and sweep up particles like dust and smoke. Increasing levels of carbon dioxide caused by deforestation and fossil fuel combustion trap heat in the atmosphere. Healthy strong trees act as carbon sinks, offset carbon and reducing the effects of climate change. A single tree can be home to hundreds of species of insect, fungi, moss, mammals, and plants, depending on the kind of food and shelter they need. Different forest animals require different types of habitat. Without trees, forest creatures would have nowhere to call home. Trees play a key role in capturing rainwater and reducing the risk of natural disasters like floods and landslides. Their intricate root system act like filters, removing pollutants and slowing down the water's absorption into the soil. This process prevents harmful waterslide erosion and reduces the risk of oversaturation and flooding.